guys, today we're going to bring you to the one of the beautiful places. We're going to Chiang Mai. This is where the tourist people go. So in 3, 2, 1. Those are the parking area. You can park there for free. Motorcycle and car.
In the sun too.
It's there.
Well, you can just see there.
Huh?
You can just see there, stand there and see.
No, you have to go all the way down.
Bua Tong waterfall. Wait. Oh, they do camping here. Where? Who's there?
You go down the waterfall.
I know.
Look, the rope.
Oh
Hang
wow.
onto the rope. That's fun.
Oh really? Oh, that's scary. There's the waterfall. Have to go down. No, you have to climb
Beautiful.
up. Yeah.
Not with Jean. You go there first. You go there first. Get changed. Go down.
Yeah. We have. Let's go. Let's go back to the car. Come on. Let's change.
Oh,
No, before you change, you go there first.
you can't go there. You have to wear.
Yeah, you have to wear a proper.
It says
I
sacred
see.
spring.
Okay. All right.
Holy spring. So you pray,
Okay.
wash your face, and then change and go down.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, she won't make my.
Ang pushет seat. What's in here? Cold spring. 150 meters. Let's go up. Okay.
Ooh, my mortal enemy. Oh my god, so intense.
Wait. 41.
It's far.
Can we just go to the sticky waterfall? Yeah.
Nandito na tayo. Let's go there. Just go there. Come back.
What time does sticky waterfall close?
5, I think.
Oh, okay. We have 3 hours. I know.
Why don't wear it?
I'm gonna take it off. Oh, you can see all the snow.
Oh, this one broke. Oh, there. There. Yeah. Nice. คุณครับ
They said pray and make a wish though.
I pray.
Don't say it.
Bua Tong and Princess Bua Tong. Right, it's there. Mm. Ooh. It's deep. Oh God. You see? Beautiful. There's a hole in there. There's a small picture.
อันนี้มันที่เดียวกับที่นู่นไหมที่ต้องดูผ่านแดดที่เดียวกับมันมีอีกที่หนึ่งที่เดียวกันที่เดียวกันมุดเอาพาคินไปด้วยนะ